Morning students, let's start our today's class. Progressions from paper 1. Exercise 6.1, fourth question. I'm just reading the question for you all. Write which of the following are in AP. Which of the following are in AP? If they form an AP, find the common difference D and write the next three terms. Next three terms you have to find. To check whether it is in AP, the first condition is we have to check whether it is in AP. The given question is fourth question, first bit 2, 4, 8, 16 and so on. To check whether it is in AP, the formula is A2 minus A1 should be equal to A3 minus A2. The first term is called A1, the second term is called A2, the third term is called A3, the fourth term is called A4 and so on. The nth term is called AN. So A2 minus A1, that is 4 minus 2, this is 2, and A3 minus A2, A3 minus A2, that is 8 minus 4, the answer is 4. That means it is not in AP. Okay, it is not in AP. First one, it is not in AP. The condition is, that is A2 minus A1 should be equals to A3 minus A2. Here it is not equal. The second bit, that is 2, 5 by 2, 3, 7 by 2. A2 minus A1. 5 by 2 minus 2. 5, take LCM now. LCM is 2. 5 minus 2 2s are 4. Answer is 1 by 2. Hope you all know this. LCM and simplification. A3 minus A2. A1, A2 and this is your A3. That is 3 minus 5 by 2. Now LCM is again 2. 3 2s are 6 minus 5. That is 1 by 2. A2 minus A1 is equals to A3 minus A2. It is in AP. In AP. Our given series are in AP. When it is in AP, the next question is, आप उन्हें बोला कि पहले check करो whether it is in AP. Yes, when it is in AP, you have to find the common difference D and next three terms. अब देखिए हम Once it is in AP, we have to find next three terms. First, the common difference D. The common difference D is 1 by 2. ये हो गया. First bit हम कर दिए, that is we have checked whether it is in AP. Second, common difference find कर दिए. Third, find next three term. First term is A1, A2, A3, A4 is given. Now you have to find A5, A6 and A7. Next three terms. A5 the formula is A plus 4D. A plus 4D. A is how much? 2 plus 4 into D is 1 by 2. 2 1s are 2 2s are. That is 2 plus 2. Answer is 4. A5 we got it as 4. Next A6. A6 का formula क्या है? A plus 5D. A plus 5D. So that is 2 plus 5 into 1 by 2. That is 2 plus 5 ones are 5 by 2. Take LCM now. LCM is 2. 2 2s are 4 plus 5. That is 9 by 2. A6 we got it 9 by 2. Next A7 find करना है. A7 formula is A plus 6D. So A is how much? 2. Always the first term will be your A. A plus 6 into 1 by 2. 2 1s are 2 3s are. So 2 plus 3, that is 5. Therefore the next three terms are 4, 9 by 2, 5. In this way you have to do all the problems. The next fifth problem I am doing. 3, 3 plus root 2, 3 plus 2 root 2, 3 plus 3 root 2. First we have to check whether it is in AP. That is A2 minus A1. Second term minus first term. Second term is 3 root 2 minus 3. Plus minus cancel. Answer is root 2. Next, a3 minus a2. First term, second term, third term. Third term is called a3. 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 3 plus root 2. So that is 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 3. The signs will change here. Plus minus get cancelled. 2 root 2 minus 1 root 2 is root 2. Therefore, it is in AP. The given terms is in AP. Once it is in AP, you have to find the common difference D. Common difference is root 2. After finding common difference, you have to find the next three terms. A1 is given, A2, A3, A4. A5 you have to find. A5. The formula to find A5 is A plus 4D. A plus 4D. A is how much? 3 plus 4 into the D is root 2. Is it clear? Next, sixth term. A plus 5D. कैसा रहेगा माँ देखो एक कम रहेगा यहाँ पे 6 रहा तो एक कम 5D. That is A is again the first term 3 plus 5. This 5 we have to put. The D value is root 2. Seventh term, that is A plus 6D. A is 3 plus 6 root 2. Therefore, the next three terms are 3 plus 4 root 2, 3 plus 5 root 2, 3 plus 6 root 2. See, I am not going to do each and every problem. There are 12 problems. 12 to, in each bit there are 10 to 12 problems. I am not going to solve all the problems. I am going to give it as an homework. The next, sixth bit, 0.2, 0.22, 0.222, 0.2222. To check whether it is in AP. The first thing is A2 minus A1. That is 0.22 minus 0.2. When you subtract this, you will be getting 0.02. Okay. Now next is A3 minus A2. Third term, first term, second term, third term. That is 0.222 minus third term minus second term. That is 0.22. When you subtract this, you will be getting 0.002. Check this. It's not equal. A2 minus A1 is not equals to A3 minus A2. That means it is not in AP. Is it clear? Not in AP. Now let's move to the last bit I'll be doing. Rest all you are going to do it as an homework. 12th one I'll be doing. Rest all you are going to do it as an homework. Root 2, root 8, root 18, root 32, so on. To check whether it is in AP, A2 minus A1. That is root 8 minus root 2. Root 8, see root 8 how I am writing. Root 8 कैसा लिख रही हूँ मैं? Root 4 into 2. Root 4 into 2. Root 4 is 2. 2 root 2 I am writing. Root 8 I am writing as 2 root 2 minus 1 root 2. If nothing is there, 1 we can write it. So 2 root 2 minus 1 root 2 is root 2. A2 minus A1 we got it. Next, A3 minus A2. The third term is root 18 minus root 8. How I am going to write root 18? See, root 18 I can write it as 9 2s are 18. Root 9 is 3. Root 9 is 3 root 2. So 3 root 2 minus root 8 I have got it as 2 root 2. इसको subtract कर दो माँ. That is root 2. That means A2 minus A1 is equals to A3 minus A2. That means this is in AP. Once it is in AP, you have to find common difference and next three terms. Yes, the common difference D, that is A2 minus A1. The formula to find common difference is A2 minus A1. आपको starting first introduction में दी थी मैं. So common difference we got it 2 root 2. First term, Second term, third term, fourth term is given. We have to find fifth term, that is a5. A plus 4d. Okay, a plus 4d. A is how much? A is again root 2. Okay, a is again root 2. So this is root 2 plus 4 root 2. 4 plus 1 is how much? 5 root 2. A6, that is sixth term. A plus 5d. A we got it root 2 प्लस ये तो फॉर्मूले का 5 आ गया. D की वैल्यू क्या आ गई माँ अगेन? रूट 2. 5 plus 1 is how much? 6 root 2. Seventh term, that is A7. A plus 6D. A is how much? Root 2 plus 6 root 2. 6 plus 1 is how much? 7 root 2. Therefore, the next three terms are 5 root 2, 6 root 2, 7 root 2. See, rest all problem you are going to do it as an homework. I am going to start the next exercise, that is 6.2. Exercise 6.2. Again, this exercise is even based on the nth term. Okay. Fill up the blanks in the following table. Given that A is the first term, D is the common difference, AN is the nth term. Okay. First bit, first one. Given that A is equals to 7, D is equals to 3, N is equals to 8, we have to find AN. Very simple. The formula to find AN. Nth term formula A plus N minus 1 into D. चलिए substitute करते जाइए माँ. 7 plus N is how much? 8 minus 1 into 3. 7 plus 7 into 3. That is 7 plus 7 3s are 21. 21 plus 7 is 28. That's it. The second bit. Okay. Second bit, A is given as minus 18. You have to find D here. N is given as 10 and AN is given as 0. Simple substitution work. Put the formula. AN is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. AN is how much? 0 is equals to A कितना है माँ? minus 18 plus N की वैल्यू कितनी दी हुई है? 10 minus 1 into D. प्लस minus 18 यहाँ पर आते क्या हो जाता माँ? plus 18. minus 18 is equal to किधर आते क्या हो गया? plus 18 is equals to 10 minus 1 is 9D. So D is equals to 18 by 9. 9 1s are 9 2s are. That means D is equals to 2. Now move to the next bit. The next one. AN is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. That is A की वैल्यू कितनी दी हुआ? minus 18.9 प्लस N तो फाइंड करना है तो N की जगह N minus 1 into 2.5. हमको AN की वैल्यू दे दिया 3.6. Is it clear? So 3.6 माइनस इज इक्वल टू के इधर आते क्या हो गया हमारा? प्लस. माइनस आते इधर प्लस हो गया. 3.6 प्लस 18.9 is equals to, now multiply this, n into 2.5, 2.5n minus 1 into 2.5, 2.5. इसको अब ऐड कर लो माँ दोनों को. So 3.6 plus 18.9 is 22.5 is equals to 2.5 into n minus 2.5. ये माइनस हम इधर लाते क्या हो जाता माँ? प्लस हो जाता. सो 2.5 into n is equals to 22.5 plus 2.5. So 2.5n is equals to 25.0. n is equals to 25 by 2.5. यहाँ से पॉइंट हटा दिया, 0 हो गया. So that is 250 by 25. 25 ones are 25 tens are. Therefore, n is equals to 10. Rest 2 bits you are going to do it as an homework. Next, second bit. Yeah, next question. Find 30th term of an AP. Find 30th term of an AP. 10, 7, 4. 10, 7, 4. We know the first term is always a, that is 10. First term हमारा a रहता है. And how to find d? d is a2 minus a1. हम पहली एक्सरसाइज में करें, that is 7 minus 10. So d we got it as -3. ये -3 आ गया. a हमको 10 आ गया. What we have to find? 30th term, that is a30. What we have to find? a30. a30 फॉर्मूला में आपको क्या बोलती हूँ मैं हमेशा, 30 रहा तो एक यहाँ पे कम होता, दैट इज 29d. सो a इज हाउ मच? 10 प्लस 29 इंटू -3, दैट इज 10 plus minus is minus. When you multiply 29 into 3 is 87. When you subtract this, the answer is -77. So A30 is -77. Next problem, do it as an homework. Thank you for listening. Have a good day. Bye.